Taming the articles. Mastering N with abbreviations and acronyms. Hello, language learners. Today we're diving into a fascinating aspect of English grammar, where indefinite articles meet abbreviations and acronyms. We've all faced that moment of indecision. Is it A or N before abbreviations and acronyms? Today, we're going to clear up those doubts and get you on the path to sounding like a native speaker. Before we jump into the heart of the matter, let's do a quick recap. We use A and N as indefinite articles in English. The general rule is that we use A before words that start with a consonant sound, and N before words that start with a vowel sound. So, it's a cat, but an apple. Now that we've got that sorted, let's move to our main topic for today, using N with certain abbreviations and acronyms. The principle is the same as for regular words. You'll use N if the abbreviation or acronym begins with a vowel sound when spoken aloud. Consider the acronym NBA. Even though N is a consonant, we pronounce it as N, which starts with a vowel sound. So, we say, an NBA player. And remember, we're talking about sounds, not letters. The abbreviation UFO starts with U, a vowel letter, but is pronounced U, which starts with a consonant sound, Y. Therefore, it is AUFO. To help cement this rule in your mind, let's do some practice. 1. FBI agent. The letter F is pronounced as EF, which begins with a vowel sound. So, it should be an FBI agent. 2. MP3 player. The M in MP3 is pronounced as M, which begins with a vowel sound. Therefore, it's an MP3 player. 3. SUV car. S in SUV is pronounced as S, which begins with a vowel sound. Thus, we say, an SUV car. I hope these examples help to illustrate the rule more clearly. That brings us to the end of our session on using N with abbreviations and acronyms. Remember, it's all about the sound, not the letter. If the abbreviation or acronym starts with a vowel sound when spoken, go with N. If it starts with a consonant sound, A is your choice. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!